Hello everyone, Big Friendly Wargame here again. Continuing my how to paint stuff, or how I paint stuff, showing you, hopefully give you some advice and maybe get some tips from it. Right, so today I'm going to show you how to undercoat with contrast paint. Now this is Wraith Bone. This is quite a new thing from Games Workshop, and I'm going to be painting, I'm going to spray painting this Imperial Fist Centurion. Now he's not Imperial Fist yet because he's grey. He's going to get spray painted, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to put him on a base like I've done with the other stuff. Now I've got some slightly larger bases, but I'm going to do that and I'll show you what I've done and then we'll go and spray paint. Okay, so here's another one of my little painting handles that I've got. It's 3 corks together. The Centurion is blue tacked on top. Hopefully he will stay put. It should do. Blue tack's fairly old, so it makes it quite sticky. It may come off at some point, but that's okay, I'll just reapply it, it's fine. And like I said, I'm going to spray it Wraith Bone. Now this should be fairly quick, it doesn't need to be particularly thick, but I want to get a fairly good coverage. And this is going to be the last video on my undercoating, so I'll probably be moving on to base coating next time. So what I'll start doing is, if you are interested in seeing certain techniques of how I paint models, like how I paint my Death Guard, how I paint my World Eaters, put in the comments below. Just ask and I'll do my best to see what I can do. It may be a couple of weeks because I record these roughly about 4 at a time. So yeah, so I'm going to go spray paint this guy and I will be back. Right, so I'm back. So that's Centurion now undercoated with Wraith Bone. So yeah, so basically that's covered the 4 ways that I undercoat models. So you've got the single spray miniatures, all 4 of them there. You've got the spray stick, which is still here, like that. You've got the larger models, which you spray in a box and do one side at a time. And then you've got your contrast stuff, which it looks like it's white, but it's a bit off-white. There you go. So yeah, so that's how I undercoat models. Quite simple, using everyday stuff like bits of cork, big bits of wood, cardboard boxes, and rubber glove. Blue tack, always have blue tack to hand when you're painting because it's so useful. But yeah, that's it. So I'm going to move on to base coating. Not sure which one I'll start base coating first, because these ones themselves, like the Blood Angel, the Red Blood Angel, the Necron, that's their base coat. You're undercoating and base coating in one go. It cuts out a step, so it'll probably be my Tyranids. So I may be base coating this guy, so I may show you that next time. Who knows? We'll see. But for now, thank you very much for watching. If these have been helpful, please subscribe and like my videos. And if you want to see how I do certain things, how I dry brush, how I base coat models, stick a comment in the description below, and I'll do my best. I'll get to it, and hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.